This is my Stippled Rose Fun Fold card. It opens like this. I'm gonna give you the measurements, but first I wanted to show off the new Stippled Roses bundle from the new mini catalog. It's gorgeous because it has all these details with shadows and highlights that you can stamp or color, and it looks beautiful either way. And in the new Celebration catalog, there is this coordinating softly stippled designer series paper that coordinates with the bundle, and it has all of these pretty designs and colors. And then I also think that these opaque faceted gems coordinate really nicely with this bundle as well, and with the paper. And these you can also earn for free when you place a $50 order, as well as the paper. So if you place a $100 order, you can get both of these free. So to start, I have taken a 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Pebbled Path cardstock, and I have trimmed off the first 2 1/8 inches so that it's half of the card here. And I'm just going to use my bone folder here. And then I have a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of the softly stippled designer series paper that I'm going to place inside here. And then this piece is 6.5 by 4 3/4, and it's scored here at 3 3/4. And I have some more pieces of DSP to put on the front here. This piece measures 2.5 by 4.5. And this piece measures 1 7/8 by 5 1/4. So I'm going to put all the paper on, and then we'll move to the next step. So now I'm going to place this piece just right here in the center. So now I have a piece of 3.5 by 4.5 basic white, and I'm just going to do a little bit of stamping on the inside. So you can find the bundle here in the new mini catalog on page 64 and some design ideas. The paper you can find in the Celebration catalog on page 8 with more ideas. And then the opaque faceted gems are here on page 9 that you can also get for free. So this time I'm going to stamp the leaves in Pebbled Path. So I'm just going to do one in the corner over here, and then one over in the other corner. And then I can adhere this to the inside of the Calypso Coral piece of cardstock. And now to decorate the front, I've started with the largest circle from the Stylish Shapes dies. And I'm also going to stamp an image on this as well. I'm going to stamp this large flower image, several flowers and leaves, but I'm going to stamp off first and then stamp on it to get a lighter color here. Isn't that gorgeous? Next, I'm going to color this stamp with our Stampin' Write markers. I'm going to do the leaves in Lost Lagoon and the rose in Calypso Coral. I'll stamp it twice, and then I will cut them out with the dies. Now I'm going to go cut these out with this flower die, and I have these 2 flowers here. And I also cut out some of these little leaves in Pebbled Path while I was cutting. So I'm going to adhere these on first, and then I will do the roses with dimensionals. Then I'm going to stamp this sentiment, sending thanks, in Pebbled Path. And I'm going to cut this out with the banner die from the Stylish Shapes dies as well. And so I've cut off part of it on the end here so that I can stick it right in here. And so I'm just going to add a dimensional to the middle, and then I can put that right in there. And then this whole piece is going to be on dimensionals, only on the Calypso Coral side of the card. But we're gonna center this circle on the card. And then we will add some of the Pebbled Path in color dots. And that is my Stippled Roses Fun Fold card. I'm doing a new format for my classes. I'm offering one each of these 3 cards as a card kit. If you place a $35 order using my current host code, you can get this kit for free. The deadline to order for this card kit will be Friday, January 19th at 5 p.m. So if you place your order with my host code for this month, you will get this card kit for free.